Hey everybody, telling you something about my divorce. This gets personal. After my divorce, I needed solutions, and fast. I needed to save money, I needed to reduce my stress, and I needed to rebuild a life on my own terms. There are 10 practical things that I discovered that no one seems to talk about, but helps you take control and start over. I wanted to live life on my own terms. Who doesn't? But here's the thing. No one tells you about these things when you're about to take control of your life. What does it really look like? How do you actually do that thing? You can change your life completely with some practical hacks that help you save money, give you peace, and actually fuel your energy. All of a sudden, life works. So why doesn't anybody talk about these things? Doesn't matter. I'm here to spill the tea. Number one, nothing happens without coffee. Coffee has gotten to be very expensive. Never mind all those pods and all those fancy machines that they have, all kinds of bells and whistles. I went out and I bought myself a very simple and small drip coffee maker that makes 5 cups max. That coffee maker has been a game changer. First of all, it didn't break the bank. It was under $25. Second of all, I buy Italian coffee. You know the brand Lavazza? Well, it is so much cheaper to make your coffee that way. And here's the thing. For the first few months, because it was so small, I put it on my nightstand. Why something so weird? I wanted to feel like I was waking up in a 5-star hotel. It's silly, but I would wake up in the morning, push the button, and there would be my coffee. Not only that, but my entire bedroom was filled with this aroma. I'm telling you, it was the greatest way to start the day. You should try it if you haven't already done so. As I mentioned, the Lavazza coffee that I buy, I get it on Amazon. Same with the coffee maker. I'll link them below. It's 40% cheaper to buy Lavazza coffee on Amazon than in the grocery store. I get a week's worth of coffee for $15. Sometimes less than that. Sometimes it's $8, that whole little package. Once you realize how far your money can go, you start paying attention to where you're spending it. Now, compare that to those expensive pods for those other fancy machines, and never mind the counter space they all take up. This little setup was so simple, it was affordable, and it was a dream. Why? $15 a day. If you spend that on a coffee, think what would happen if you put $15 a day for 365 days aside. I'll tell you a little story later because that's how I afforded a snowbird holiday in Florida this year. It's not a joke. The next thing that came quite unexpectedly, but it came with a diagnosis, is the walking pad. I picked it up very recently because, like a lot of women in my demographic, I have digestion issues. And one of the best things for digestion is walking for 15 minutes after your meal. Now, I live in the Great White North. Walking outside after my meal isn't always an option, especially when it's cold and it's raining sideways. So this is so cute, slides under my sofa, and I can take it out. I put on Will Trent and that cute little chihuahua. The time passes so quickly, but it's even better than that because I noticed not only my digestion improved, so did my blood sugar, and so did my blood pressure. Just a 15-minute walk after your meal. It's amazing how small things like that can make a big difference. Not to mention that it's a lot cheaper than a gym membership. And here's another thing. A lot of women use these walking pads under a standing desk because they work from home. And I actually know 3 women who do that. That's what gave me the idea. So it's not just fitness equipment. It's a smart everyday tool. So yeah, I've ordered one for myself. Why? I'm worth it. I don't have a gym membership. So this is what I'm doing for myself now. The next thing is a set of dumbbells. A simple little set with a stand. And for those of you who don't know me that well, I am a certified NASM personal trainer. So let me say this really clearly. Strength training is not optional for women in our demographic. It becomes urgent. Why, you ask? Because it's a medical fact. After the age of 30, we gradually begin to lose muscle mass. The calories that we once used to help maintain that muscle mass are now being stored as fat because you don't have the muscle. That's a shocker, let me tell you, but it also explains the unbelievable weight gain that we go through at this demographic age. So, the good news is, it's a very simple fix. This very basic, affordable setup with just 30 minutes twice a week is enough to help you maintain your muscle mass. And depending on how much of a workout you do, you can even build muscle. And there are tons of free YouTube workouts that can show you exactly what to do that'll suit your needs. That is why I love this setup. It won't break the bank. It keeps everything neat and tidy in one place, and it saves you so much time. Time is a really big problem for us at this point in our life when we're resetting everything. Because once you factor in going to the gym, getting changed, doing your workout, showering, and coming back home, well, that is a lot to ask for someone who is already stretched very thin. When you reset your life, sometimes just having to get in the car and go to the gym is enough to make you skip the workout altogether. And that is where the danger is. It's not skipping the workout, it's the lack of consistency. It's easier to do 2 30-minute workouts in the comfort of your home on your agenda. The workout itself isn't the problem. It's sustaining it on a regular basis. That's where you gain your muscle. And sometimes the smartest setup is one that you will actually use. Not to mention, it's a lot less expensive than a gym membership. Along the same lines is a yoga mat. If you don't already have one, it's a wonderful thing to have, a place for you to stretch that creates a sense of space, that carves out a moment in time just by taking out the yoga mat. If you have one, you understand what that feels like. That's where I do all my workouts. And it's just an important accessory that's part of your self-care routine. Again, this is what helps you feel empowered and in control. It's a small space where you get to return to yourself. The next thing was those beautiful velvet hangers. They're a lot cheaper on Amazon. And although it may sound silly, but when you're starting over, organizing your closet is really important. When you are divorcing, purging your closet is one of the most difficult things to do. So getting these fresh set of hangers helps your closet feel more organized. You feel like you have a renewed space in your world. And you know, the clutter has a way of draining your energy. So these small little items will make a big difference. You'll see if you haven't already tried this. Another item is a hanging closet organizer. You know, the ones that they sell for shoes? Except I got a really nice quality one on Amazon that matches the colors of my storage cubes, which is another good item. Instead of putting shoes there, I put socks, I put other small clothing items. I even put everyday essentials in there. When you declutter things and have them all in one place, it's like you reclaim a little part of your energy. As I mentioned, those storage cubes, I bought the fabric ones on Amazon because they're beautiful, they're simple, and cheaper on Amazon than in the stores. Plus, I've used them all over the place. In my bathroom for my extra towels, in my closet, because I don't have a linen closet in this apartment, I put all my extra linens in there. And even Christmas decorations, things that you don't really have a place for, they neatly fit in a storage cube and you can make it disappear anywhere you want. Something that sounds silly, but an Amazon Basics sweatpants. I was shocked. I actually got them as a gift from one of my children. They are so soft, they have pockets, And I bought a second pair because who doesn't need a second pair? It was also surprising how much less expensive it was. Again, I saved money and I have those comfort clothes. We all need them. Now, here's the kicker. I actually got myself a mani-pedi kit. It comes in a cute little case. Everything is in one place. And you know what? This is self-care without overspending. Sure, when I have an occasion, I will go and get my mani-pedi done. But for the regular times, I make it a ritual. Make myself a cup of coffee, I put something bingeable to watch, and I give myself a mani-pedi. I'm telling you, it is so sweet to have that time for yourself. When you give yourself a mani-pedi, you're saving money, you're taking care of yourself. I personally like to pick all the colors out, and I take a lot of pleasure. It becomes a thing that I do for myself, and I really enjoy it. It's intentional, and it's something special that I do for myself. Here's an 11th item. I know I wasn't going to go that far, but this really needs to be on the list. A water filter pitcher. I don't want to name names because I got mine on Amazon Basics for less than what you can get it at Costco. And the nice thing about it is practical. You don't have to carry all those water bottles from the store wherever it is that you buy them. They're heavy. You create all kinds of empty water bottles all over the place. And at the same time, you give yourself filtered water for free. The pitcher is not expensive, and neither are the refills. So you always have filtered water available. And that's exactly the type of purchase that I talk about when I say taking back control. It supports your health, it supports your budget, and your daily life all at once. Remember when I said I'd come back for that $15 a day thing? Here's a reality. $15 a day times 365 days is $5,700. That is what allowed me to spend a month in Florida this winter. Not from winning the lottery, no inheritance, and no special gift. Just from small, intentional choices. And that's what taking control really looks like. There's something else I learned that I would be remiss if I didn't mention. The whole concept of retail therapy. That feels good for the moment, and I get it. You walk into a store, everything smells beautiful, everything is beautifully arranged, the displays are curated into little sections. It feels so inviting. And before you know it, you're buying something that you probably would never have bought in the first place, right? I'm not saying don't go to the stores, because going to the stores, the shopping mall, really lifts your mood, and sometimes that's exactly what we need. However, just be aware, these stores have million-dollar marketing budgets that get you to part with your money. And the important piece here is I bet you can go home and you can look around your house and you can probably create a similar look. Maybe all you need to do is declutter or move some furniture around, and before you know it, you've got your own beautiful oasis. So that's what I say when something is 40% off. That's the trick. They are saying it's on sale. Thing is 40% off. You're often buying something that you didn't even need. So the idea of saving money is what makes you buy. And that is the big trick. And that's the beauty of this whole thing. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about becoming aware before you spend. And that is empowering. That's what taking back control really is. So these are some of the things that I genuinely felt made a difference as I was resetting my life after divorce. Not because they changed everything overnight, but because they helped me build a life that felt more peaceful, more empowered, and healthier, and more organized. All of these factors come into play, one by one. That is how rebuilding happens. It's one small, practical choice at a time. If you are in a season of starting over, I hope this gave you a few ideas and maybe a little bit of encouragement. I've linked everything down below so you can have a look at everything yourself. If this resonated with you, Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what helped you take control. Sometimes when we share our ideas, we help so many in this community. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this if you're here to the end. And remember, later is greater. Have an empowered week.